This is my fish.
What's its name?
Its name.
Does it live in water?
Yes, it does.
Does it eat meat?
No, it doesn't. It eats fish food.
Okay.
Wow, it's a chick.
What's its name?
Its name is Kiki. Does it fly?
No, it doesn't.
Does it eat meat?
No, it doesn't. It eats fish.
What is it? It's a hamster.
What's its name?
Look. It eats seeds. Does it eat meat?
No, it doesn't.
Wow, a turtle. Does it climb trees?
Yes, it does.
Does it eat meat?
No, it doesn't.
It eats plants.
Okay, bye.
Bye. What does it eat?
It eats plants.
Does it drink water?
Yes, it does, but not much.
Wow, a bird. Does it fly?
Yes, it does.
Does it eat fish or seeds?
It eats seeds.